Hi everyone, now I'll be showing you how to make all 5 of these animations. Well, I mean this one isn't an animation, but still it's... So first for the fur, you just take any object, you either press object, quick effects, quick fur, and it'll give you fur, like this. However, this type of fur isn't very good. However, it's the only fur that I know how to make. You can just delete that off of there. And there's another way, which is just go over here, go to curves, add fur, or empty hair, which just you can't see it. Well, that's one thing. After that bouncy-ish ball. So for the ground, you'll want just a plane, make it a bit big, and add any object. Add rigid body. Make sure it's on active. Make it as heavy as you want. If you want it to be bouncy, take friction down and make it bouncy. You can make the friction as much as you want, but I'm keeping that 0. Right now, it's really not going to do anything. So, if you take this here and make that a rigid body too, but if you do that, both of them are going to fall. So I just ready that up over here. And you can make active up here to passive, and it won't move, but it'll still be a rigid body. So you can just have it do that. You didn't see it be bouncy. No, that's just because this isn't high up enough. See, if I take it up like that, it's bouncy. So that's that. And now if you want the smoky animation, so first add anything. Go to Object, Quick Effects, Quick Smoke. I'm going to tell you, you don't really want to do this if your computer isn't that good. And it does this. If you want, like, fire or something, you can go over here, change the flow type to fire and smoke, which makes it a type of explosion type fire, which is good, which is just really good for explosions. You can make it just fire, which is just fire, but it still has a bit of smoke. Still pretty good. And that's it. Don't put liquid when you use the quick smoke. So the other ones are still quick effects. So you take a UV sphere over here, object, quick effects, quick liquid. It'll go into wireframe, but it just does that so you can see all the vertices basically. So when you do that, it just does that, which is honestly pretty cool. You can also go into here to be able to actually see what it's doing. You can also make the sphere bigger to get more liquid. You cannot change these to smoke, fire and smoke, or fire. Then the last one's the easiest. UV sphere, quick effects, quick explode, and then it just does this. So if you want it to bounce off of something, you take plane, move it down here, scale it up a bit, make it bigger. Make this a collision in the physics tab, and then just do this. See, I don't know why, but the explosion particles are extremely bouncy. Here's something that I never actually liked. It just disappears at the end. And if you don't put disappear at the end, over here, no, the best thing that you can do is, just put in dead too here, so you can see them when they've died, but that's just showing these. Also, you can make it like a surprise attack by taking out unborn. So it just makes a surprise explosion. That's the best explosion that I could get, other than the fire simulation. For that, that's it.